Good morning and welcome to Wilkinsburg Public Library. Today we're going to take you outside of the library and we're going to embellish masks with Rachel, my co-worker. Today there's plenty of things you can see that I do. It's just something that you don't have to go to the store and buy. You can get these things. Here's some masks I've done. I've sewed these on. But the other ones, I just use glue. This is our alma mater. This is the N5 or NK or whatever. So let's get started. Rachel, I'm just gonna do a flower. Just take a little, whatever you have, and just dab. Just put it right there, please. And you dab it. But if you have an iron at home, these are iron-ons. But I didn't feel like bringing the whole menagerie down here to do this. So, and that's it. Just stick it there. And wherever you want it. If you have an outdoor mask where it bends, try to put your flower up or down in the corner. And I'm going to just do it right here. And in about 5 or 10 minutes, it'll be done.
Oh, that's beautiful. I love it.
And everyone asked me, where'd you get that? I said, I did it myself. I embellished it. Here's another one made from this. Go to the dollar store, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, or Joann, and you can get anything you want. And little prissy girls, bows, dragonflies, hot mamas, and the little angels. Okay? If you like this video, please like, and we'll be back next week. From Wilkinsburg Library. Huh?
Have a nice day.
Oh, have a nice day. I always give her that. And have a nice day.